Today we are gonna fix Roblox assets not loading problem. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like. The first solution is a multi-step solution that has worked for many people. The first step is to change Roblox's compatibility settings. To do this, we right-click on Roblox and then click on Properties. Next, click on Compatibility. After that, we tick Disable Full Screen Optimizations and run this program as an admin. Then, we click on Apply and then click on OK. The second step is to clear Roblox's cache files from our computer and browser. To remove Roblox's cache files from our computer, we go to the search section and open Run. We type %localAppData% in the search bar and then click OK. In the Open It window, we locate and double click on the temp folder. After that, we delete the Roblox folder. We have cleared Roblox's cache files from our computer. To clear the cache files from our browser, we open Chrome. Then, we click on the three dots in the upper right corner and select Settings. From the left menu, we click on Privacy and Security. Next, we click on Cookies and Other Site Data. We scroll down and click on See All Site Data and Permissions. After that, we type Roblox in the search bar. Then, we click on Trash icon to remove Roblox's cache files. We have cleared Roblox's cache files from our browser. The third step is to use Google Public DNS. To do this, we click on Privacy and Security and then click on Security. We scroll down and toggle on Use Secure DNS. We tick the box next to With and choose Google. Now, we need to restart our computer for the changes to take effect. After restarting, we can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem persists, we will move on to the second solution. The second solution is to uninstall and reinstall Roblox. To uninstall Roblox, we open the control panel and click on Uninstall the program. Once we find Roblox in the list of our programs, we can click on Uninstall to remove it. After uninstalling Roblox, you can download it again and check if the problem is solved or not. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.